Are you ready to unveil the truth about the real Velociraptor? Forget what you saw in Jurassic Park, because this little guy is way cooler and a lot smaller than you might think. First off, let's get the scientific name right. Velociraptor mongoliensis. These fascinating creatures lived during the late Cretaceous period, around 75 to 71 million years ago. And guess where they roamed? The vast Gobi Desert of Mongolia. Yup, it's not just for camels and sand dunes. Now let's talk size and appearance. The real Velociraptor was about 2 meters long, that's about 6.5 feet, and stood just half a meter tall at the hip, roughly 1.6 feet. Weighing in at around 15 kilograms or 33 pounds, they were about as big as a large turkey. That's right, a turkey. And here's the kicker, they had feathers. Imagine a 6-foot-long feathered turkey with a sickle-shaped claw. Not exactly the terrifying giants from the movies, huh? Speaking of claws, these raptors had long tails for balance and those famous retractable claws on their hind feet. Perfect for gripping and, well, swift thievery, hence their name, which means swift thief. But were they smart? Well, they were likely pretty intelligent for dinosaurs, though not the super geniuses portrayed on the big screen. There's some debate about whether they hunted in packs, but fossils suggest they had complex interactions. Ever heard of the fossil showing a velociraptor fighting a protoceratops? Now that's a dino showdown. When it came to diet, velociraptors were carnivorous. They probably hunted smaller animals or scavenged for food. Their teeth were designed for a grasp and tear method, not slicing, which tells us they were efficient predators. And yes, those feathers, fossil impressions confirm it. While they couldn't fly, feathers could have helped with thermoregulation, display, or even brooding. So, next time you think of a velociraptor, picture a sleek, feathered predator. One last fun fact before we wrap up. The raptors in Jurassic Park were actually based more on the Deinonychus, a larger cousin of our feathered friend. Hollywood, am I right? So there you have it, folks. The real Velociraptor mongoliensis. Smaller, feathered, and endlessly fascinating. Until next time, keep digging for those dino truths.